Barry is such a sexy bastard. Wait, am I really falling for a giant slime bear blob that try to eat and digest me alive? I guess. Huh. He's just way too much of a hottie to resist. I really love that fat belly of his. And overall, I love when he teases me. Dumb teddy bear. Hello?
Hey kid, it's me, Barry. Just called to tell you that I'm on your way to your place. Hope you have some good cake. You will be feeding me another way. See you, runt.
Ah, that fat. He's gonna be the death of me.
Man, what a sweet folks. Glad I give him a shake. Hey now, boys. You guys will be bear blower whether you like it or not. But I can keep you guys in there for days. And I'll tell you it'll hurt. So be good food there and behave. Got it? Good boys. I love it when my food gets feisty though. You guys better put on a good show for me. And maybe I'll consider letting you guys out. I can play nice too.
Finally, the food is done. If I'm correct, Barry should come here any minute now. I'll better take off my apron and better get dressed. It's him! Better get that strawberry perfume.
Hey, little guy. Like what you see? There's a hungry bear to attend. You don't want me to think you're food, huh?
Oh, of course not! Get inside, dummy, the food is served!
Such a good boy. Now let's go, I'm starving! Wow, kid, you went all out for this fat bear, huh? Well, better not keep you waiting. Hey, my eyes are up here, little guy. You sure are one needy guy to want someone like me around. But hey, since you have been so sweet, might as well be a nice bear with you, right? Hear 'em? I have at least 14 guys packed real good. They can barely make it down to my exhaustion. You want me to spare them, or should I digest them and let you rub my big fat belly?
Just get done with your food already. I want to rub all of this with no one else involved. You are mine today, fatso.
Very well. Just don't regret this. There's no going back.
Barry, you know I'm a demon, right? Kitsunes are fox demons. I don't really care what you do with your food. I just want to snuggle and have fun with you because you are so awesome. So you kill people. Want to cross the line? I don't care. In fact, I find it awesome just to see a mean, overall strong hunk like you by my side and playing with me. And being so hot like you are.
A direct one, huh? Well, I hate having to think too much. But to be honest, I was wondering why you called me back after I went away from your house. You won. You survived. So why do you want a monster like me around? But hearing you saying that, and being honest, I'm not sure if I'm ready to accept that. I'm not just a monster, but damn kid, you made me think I'm not. So thanks, Runt. I'm giving you a shot, guy. And if you're trying to use me or Lan, I swear I'm gonna make sure you digest in the most horrible way possible. You understand, kid? You're such a weird guy, man. But be likely. Hey, Del. You mind if I stay for the night? I don't think I can move for a day. I'm too heavy.
As long as I get to use that giant belly of yours as a comfy bed, I don't mind you at all, teddy bear.
You know I should be mad at that nickname, but when you say it, it feels right, Runt. Good night, little guy.
Je fiera CK19. Hear your imagination.